Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services. And if you're in the market for increasing your credit score, right? You want to increase your credit score because you're trying to qualify for a mortgage or purchase a car, or for whatever reason, right now is a good time for you. This is a good video for you to watch. I want to share some things with you because if you're Googling, say, you're searching on the internet for credit repair in your area, there's a lot of companies and it's confusing. Like, how do you find the best company? Well, let me give you some tips. First of all, you want to find a company that is going to be aggressive for you. They're going to move as quickly as allowed by law. So in other words, you might have a couple items on your credit report that need to be removed. You might have 10, you might have more, but a lot of companies will not go after, using federal law, go through the federal process as quickly as they can. Why? Because they want to charge you more monthly fees. It's a standard practice in our industry. We don't do business that way. If you've got 2 items, 22 items, or 62 items, we're going to use federal law and we're going to get those items removed as quickly as we possibly can, as quickly as the federal law allows. So you're going to get an aggressive start to your increase of your credit score. So the way we say it is we provide, because of what we do, the fastest, most effective credit restoration service, credit repair service in the country. But here's the other thing. Other companies that you will find doing your search on the internet is that they provide credit repair. Okay, great. So do we, but that's not the only thing you should be looking for, because there are a lot of other ways to increase your credit score besides just quote unquote credit repair. In other words, the removal of derogatory items. There's a lot of other things that can be done for you. And we do those. We provide you with something called Credit Builder. In other words, we're going to make recommendations to you based on your situation, because everybody's different. What are some things that could be done to outside of just removing negative items to increase your credit score as quickly as we possibly can get it done? So we've got that for you. We've got online credit monitoring, so you can monitor the progress of what's going on. All 3 credit bureaus, real-time reporting. You're going to know exactly what your credit score is. We've got an online debt payoff system. Why? Because lowering the amount of debt that you owe increases your debt utilization, which increases your credit score. So we're going to show you how to do that. We've got an online budgeting tool that we're going to show you how to use to help you save for that home, save for that car, or vacation, or whatever it is that you want. We have identity theft protection. You might say, well, why would you have identity theft protection? How does that relate to my credit? It has everything to do with your credit. If you're going through a process to increase your credit score so you can get that home, car, whatever it is, then the last thing you want is to have your identity stolen and have somebody go out and run up some bills in your name. Yes, you're going to be able to eventually get out of that, but it's going to trash your credit score for a period of time, preventing you maybe from getting that home loan. So we provide all those services to you, and there's more. There's actually more. If you're a renter of a home or renter of an apartment, we can get your on-time rental history put on your TransUnion credit report. Why is that important? Because the more positive trade lines or accounts that you have on your credit report, the higher your credit score is. So we need to talk with you. Okay, here's what I want you to do. If what I'm saying sounds like it makes sense to you, then go to eracreditservices.com, eracreditservices.com. You'll be able to click on the credit repair tab, or you could go to eracreditservices.com/credit-repair. Either way, eracreditservices.com, click on credit repair. You can watch a 6-7 minute video. It's going to describe our services to you. But down below that, it's going to say, or right next to it, I think, it says book a phone appointment. That's what we want you to do so that we can provide you. It's free of charge. There's no obligation. We need to find out about your situation. We need to know how many negative items you have. What is your credit score about? What kind of items that you have, so we can make sure that we tailor a program that's really going to be as effective as possible for you. So book that phone appointment. It takes about 20 minutes. So pick a period of time where you have that 20 minutes. We'll call you at the time and day you want and at the number you give us, and we'll walk you through it all. We'll walk you through it all, and then you can make a decision. Now you might say, well, what does all this cost? Well, we charge a one-time account activation fee of $99 and then your first payment of $89 to get started. So it's $188 to get started and then just $89 a month thereafter. So $188 and then $89 a month. Now you might say, well, you know, like everybody wants to know, how long does it take? And that I can't tell you until I know more about you, because of how many accounts you might have. Are they open or closed accounts? Or are they charge-off accounts? Are they collection accounts? Who are the creditors? All of that really matters, so I can give you a better indication when we talk on the phone. But I will tell you this. Some of our clients, it's just a couple of months. Some of our clients, it's a year. Our average client is around 5 to 6 months. So is it going to cost you a few $100s to get that credit score to where you need it to be? Yes. That's why you have to be serious about this. Because you need to be serious about buying that home or getting that car or whatever it is that's motivating you to watch this video and think about increasing your credit score. So listen, we are the fastest, most effective credit repair process in the country, bar none. That I can guarantee you. By the way, we provide a customer satisfaction guarantee, so another guarantee. But we have all these other services, and we're really going to look at your situation and see how we can round out these services to make sure you get the fastest credit score that we possibly or highest credit score that we possibly can give you in the shortest amount of time. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you'll go to our website, eracreditservices.com, click on the credit repair tab and book a phone appointment with us so we can have a personal conversation. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to helping you increase your credit score. Take care.